Jury deliberations will resume in the morning in the Donald J. Trump hush money case that prosecutors say was to protect his bid to become president 8 years ago. The jury spent just 4 hours and 38 minutes deliberating on this day one. This afternoon, they sent 2 notes to the judge. So what did they say, and what might it mean for the direction of their deliberations? Here's Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Carlo.
With his typical fist pump and a less than holy comparison to Mother Teresa, Donald Trump left unscathed after day one of deliberations.
Mother Teresa could not beat those charges, but we'll see.
Trump's legal fate is not in the hands of his steadfast supporters who cheered his motorcade's arrival at court, but rather 7 men and 5 women who make up the jury, an investment banker, a teacher, and a physical therapist among them. Judge Juan Merchan reminded jurors, although Trump is a former president, in the eyes of the law, he's just another member of society.
You turn this way for me 1 second.
The case revolves around a $130,000 payment to porn star Stormy Daniels, who testified she had a fling with Trump in 2006, one that Trump has denied. Daniels came forward days before the 2016 election when Trump's campaign was in some trouble.
When you're a star, they let you do it. You can do anything.
Trump had just been caught on a hot mic degrading women. Enter then Trump fixer and now government witness Michael Cohen. Prosecutors say Trump ordered him to buy Daniels' silence. Cohen testified Trump tried to save his sinking campaign and later covered up the payment as a legal expense. Prosecutors trying to prove the falsification of business records. At 2:56 p.m., the jury asked to rehear testimony on a 2015 meeting involving both Cohen and David Pecker, the then chairman of American Media, Inc., who promised to suppress damaging stories about Trump. That was the whole purpose of the Trump Tower meeting, to get AMI to help Trump win the election. Prosecutor Steinglass said to the jury, Trump's defense chalked it up to typical business. Mr. Pecker told you that AMI purchases stories all the time. They purchase stories about Tiger Woods, Mark Wahlberg, and other people. No crime. Judge Merchan reminding jurors not to look up anything on this case at this crucial point in the proceedings. In Lower Manhattan, Anthony Carlo, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
And we invite you to stay with Eyewitness News and ABC News as we continue watching and waiting for a verdict in this case. The minute it happens, we'll have it for you on air and online.